Hello, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to record discounts for customers in QuickBooks Online. Whether you're running a small business or managing finances for a larger company, applying discounts correctly helps maintain good customer relationships and keeps your accounts accurate. First, access your QuickBooks Online account by clicking the Sign In button on the home page. Make sure to select QuickBooks Online so you're in the right platform. Enter your username and password, then click Continue to reach your main dashboard. Next, we'll create a new invoice. Click the New button, usually on the left-hand side of the screen. From the drop-down menu, select Invoice. This opens a new page where you can fill in all the details for your customer. Start by adding the customer's information. Either select an existing customer from your list or create a new one by entering the relevant details. This ensures the invoice goes to the correct client and your records stay accurate. After adding customer information, specify the products or services on the invoice. Select or type the item name, set the quantity, and confirm the pricing is correct. QuickBooks will automatically calculate the total based on your entries, so double check everything before moving on. Now it's time to apply the discount. On the invoice form, you'll see an option to add a discount. Enter the discount amount or percentage you want to apply. Make sure it aligns with any prior agreements or advertised promotions. Once entered, QuickBooks will automatically update the total amount due, making the process simple and efficient. Finally, review your invoice to ensure all details are correct, from customer information to the discounted total. Click Save and Send to save your changes and email the invoice directly to your customer. And that's it. You've successfully recorded a discount on an invoice in QuickBooks Online. This keeps your accounting up to date, ensures transparency, and helps foster trust with your customers. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more QuickBooks tips and tutorials.